Okay, so this is day 4 of defending the Prince of Spain. We first went to R&M Associates, where we found out that Mousy works there. He's the one who gave us this case. And we also found out the name of the fox is Renard Volps, and that he is investigating a case for the King of England, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, which is kind of weird, but not that weird. Oh well. We then went to Le Havre to investigate with the flower girl. And there, she gave us some pretty important information. First, she told us that no one has questioned her about the case, which I think is pretty weird given that the cock that is the prosecutor is pretty competent. So I would think that he would have already questioned her. The fact that he didn't is kind of weird, especially since it's been, what, 2 days since the day of the murder. I would have thought he would have already questioned her. That would have been my first line of reason. That's why we went there first. And then second, that, well, not 2 days, but a day after. I'm sorry about that. And then we know that she gets her flowers mostly from the wild, but once in a while she gets it from especially in the winter, she gets it from a merchant who passes from the Netherlands to Italy. I'm not sure if that's important in itself. I don't know much about the political climate in Europe, but apparently that might have something to do with what's going on. I'm not sure. But she says that she mostly gets it from the wild, if not from the merchant who passes from the Netherlands to Italy and passes on his way to France, which is kind of a weird detour, but there's that. Monkshood is where she normally gets her flowers. Which I'm not familiar with France, so I'm not sure where that is located. But it must not be that far off for her to go pick up the flowers and then come to Le Havre and sell them. I wouldn't think she would deviate that far. She did let us know that a charming red fox did buy the rose, the last rose that she had on the 6th, but she didn't think that she was guilty. We pressured her to find out why she didn't think he was guilty, but she wouldn't lay off. Well, she wouldn't give us further information regarding why she didn't think he was guilty. So we're gonna see what happens. I don't know if we have enough to go to the chocolate emporium. She didn't say that she bought the chocolates from. Well, she didn't give the chocolates to the fox, so I don't know. I don't feel like he would have. Let's go to Le Canard, Julia. Oh, we're always here to drink. Exactly. Sure. Thank you. I would agree. I wish. Oh. Hmm. Rufus and Paul. Tried the drinking room. Okay. Hmm. A boar. Ooh. You shot it? Huh. Heart attacks. Frothing at the mouth. Rabbit. A symptom of poisoning. What the heck? What the heck? Yeah, I want to know more. Wait, what? Poisonous plant. Wolfsbane? I don't know if I should ask him about Prince Juan. But his boar was frothing in the mouth the way that the lion was. He might have ate something poisonous. So maybe the flower girl is guilty. Don't be so mean. Senor. He doesn't call himself. That's how the Spanish say sir. Piero. Okay. Oh my god, you have to be so rude. I do want to talk about hunting. Where were you hunting? What's in the card room? Jack's Noir. Skint. Mon Dieu. Okay. Let's play some Jack's Noir. What is that? I don't know what Jack's Noir is, but let's pretend like we do. Yeah. Yeah, I've been playing for years. That's how I know what it is. 5 francs, okay. That's how much it's gonna cost me. Here we go. Oh shit, what the fuck? Go for to new. Oh, it's blackjack. Oh, Jack Noir. Okay. But this is 8. I'll take a hit. 14. Fuck. This is a risk to take. Oh, fuck. Yes, let's go for another round. I know it's blackjack. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. 1, obviously. Hit. Oh, 5? Come on, hit me. 7, hit me. Ooh, 17. 17. Stand. I feel like I should have gotten hit again. No, I lost 10 francs. No. Let's go. Let's just be done with that. Yeah, maybe. Let's go back to the entrance. We should have got to the card game. Okay, so that was a waste of time. We might have gone to we should have gone to the bibliothèque. Did we have this? I don't feel like we had this. Um, this choice. Cinematic scenes. What does that mean? Should we go to the library? I feel like we should go to the library. I I really feel like the chocolate emporium matters, but I just don't know why. I don't feel like I have enough to actually pinpoint why. The bibliothèque matters, so let's go for that. Okay. Yes. Exactly. No, that's not his advice. Exactly. Yes. Oh. Huh, that's an interesting question. Do you prefer the classics or modern work? I would say modern works, because I always like to know what's the next step in literature, right? It's the classics are always going to be there. Homer, Robinson Crusoe, things like that. They're always going to be there. But how do we take storytelling to a whole new level? First it was with sci-fi, then it was with fantasy, now we're back with sci-fi. It's just constantly pushing the limits of literature. And to be honest, I prefer modern works. The Three Musketeers, right? That would be modern in that time. I read it. I didn't really much care for it, to be honest. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe. Of course. And here's the librarian called Nightathan. Astute observation, Sparrowson. That's not the way to go about that, but okay. Let's first talk about Don Quixote. Yeah, everybody. Okay. Okay, be that kind of snob. Fine, whatever. Okay. Okay, so it came from a French gift shop. Talk about the Spanish monarchy. Okay. Oh my god, whatever imbecile question. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know about that, but okay. Yes, okay. Okay. Don Queen Regnat Isabella II, the House of Bourbon, daughter of King Ferdinand VII. Okay. King Consort, Francis, Duke of Cadiz. Okay. Carlis, Count of Montemolin. Okay. Not really. Don Juan Querido is not at all mentioned in that. Hmm. Wait, what? Wait, how is there no Prince of Spain? Wait, what? There's no Querido? Wait, Querido. I know Querido's not a real name, but I thought maybe. Wait, what? Oh. It means that we've been duped, Sparrowson. If there is no Don Juan Querido means Sir Juan Querido, means that Querido is the last name. And if he's saying that there's no Spanish person to that last name, then that means that we've been duped. What the heck? What do you mean that there's no Querido? Then Those last names did not match querido. Exactly. Maybe. Exactly. Exactly. That's all. Thank you, librarian. You were very useful. Querido's not a last name to a legitimate heir to the throne of Spain. Good day. Wow, so we learned a lot in these last 2 days. We learned that there was a boar. And I say this because I honestly think that this is an important plot point. That there was a boar during a hunting trip that just fell over with foam coming from their mouth, which means that they've been poisoned. And even the hunter realized that there was poisonous plants around. So that could mean that the flower girl knew that was picking flowers from a poisonous flower spot. That's not to say that she necessarily knew that they were poisonous, but it could be that she was picking flowers from that spot. And what I want to know is, well, what the heck are those flowers that they were picking? And then so we went to the library, and there we found out that there is no Spanish, I guess, ancestor or heir by the name of Don Juan Querido, which is kind of odd that he would go around telling everyone that he is the contender, Spanish throne contender, when there is no heir by that name. The last names that we saw have nothing to do with Querido, which just means that he's lying to us, which means that we need to face him. I think that's what we should do. We should go and face him and see what's going on. So the next stop for the next day is going to be at La Concierge. I'm really glad that we didn't go to the Chocolate Emporium. I'm glad that we're saving that for when we go to La Concierge. So that's what we're going to do next time we check this video. Thank you for watching and hopefully you have a nice day.